Alright, Dr. Evan here. I'm going to teach you all how to use the cervical DenneRoll today. So I'm going to be demonstrating this on a medium DenneRoll. The first thing you'll notice when you open up the box is that there's a side that says shoulders this side. So that's the side you'll want to keep the closest to you when you lay down on the floor. So I'm going to lay on the floor now and just demonstrate how the positioning should look. So you put the shoulders this side facing you. You're going to be laying on your back here. So we're going to show you in the office where it belongs. Each person's a little bit different. But the idea is to try to tuck it in so that the arch of the DenneRoll is right on the spot that we indicate to you based on your x-ray. And you let your head drop down towards the ground. Now you want to stay laying on your back here, your feet out straight, arms down at your side. And the idea is to make sure that there's some room for your hand to kind of slide underneath your head. Like you can see here, I can slide my hand underneath. My head is not touching the ground. That allows gravity to pull our head back and get that curve to come back in. Now you'll start by using this for 2 minutes the first day. You can increase by 1 minute per day as you are able to tolerate. Now if you get to say 10 minutes and it feels sore that next day, stay at 10 minutes until you're ready to increase to 11. Now keep increasing until you get up to 15 minutes. You'll stay at 15 minutes per day on the DenneRoll. Now when it's time to get up, you want to make sure you don't sit up straight, but you roll onto your side and then sit up this way. That makes sure that you don't sort of undo that curvature that you just put in. So if you have any questions beyond this video, you can always ask any of us in the office. We'd be happy to answer those for you.